In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at how one entrepreneur, through trial and error, now has a thriving fruit business. Here's Cody and Barrett.
This is a watermelon cake without the traditional ingredients, made only of real fruit. Creator Kadeen Harvey calls it art. In fact, it's what she called all her creations at her growing business, Fruit Blossoms. The company is well known for its fruit bouquet. Ms. Harvey, a trained cosmetologist, says the idea was born 11 years ago while she was on vacation overseas.
Having seen this, I just thought it was a beautiful idea, and I've never seen it in Jamaica personally. I've never seen it, and so I said, look, I'm going to try this. It looks like a lucrative business. It looks like something that Jamaica will appreciate. At least I'm going to present it in the way for Jamaicans to see where fruits can be had in such a versatile and a sophisticated way.
She recalled that the journey began with $1,000.
That $1,000 bought me some pineapples, some grapes, some apples, and I think it was a kiwi. And I went home and I put the knife to those fruits, and that I won't even say how disastrous that came out, but it never stopped me because it just inspired me more to say, oh, I can perfect this if one, I do a little research, two, if I continue to practice, and then have some people believe in you.
The missteps would continue, and according to Ms. Harvey, it came with a hefty price tag.
I can't put a figure to how much money I've spent on just perfecting, and I wouldn't even say I've perfected the art as yet, but perfected to where I am now. It took thousands and it probably gone into a million or millions to reach where I'm at now.
Still, persons bought into the idea of the fruit bouquets because at the time they were unique. The business grew mainly through word of mouth, and for years, Ms. Harvey's home was her workplace.
Because I had my 9 to 5, so every pay cycle or so, I would use my pay or my salary to finance the business. As I said, I started out with $1,000. And so for every order that you got, what I did was to control that, to say, okay, you place your order in advance. So like a 2 or 3 days in advance. So it would give me time to source and give me time to, have the money to purchase all these things.
She recounts that sourcing fruits proved to be challenging in the initial stages of the business, as well as storage and delivery. Now, in its 11th year, Fruit Blossoms has its own space and permanent staff in Portmore, with Ms. Harvey including another signature product, gourmet fruit popsicles. She recently added ackee to the list of flavors, which includes pumpkin and fruit salad. Her offerings have also expanded to include natural juices, smoothies, smoothie packs, and chocolate-covered treats. And in response to the demands of her growing business, Ms. Harvey has given up being a cosmetologist for good.
In the next 3 to 5 years, I see Fruit Blossoms having multiple locations across the island. Can serve Jamaica better. You can have easy access to Fruit Blossoms. I want Fruit Blossoms to be a household name.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.